The wind whips the sky. I hear its wail above city sounds way up here in my 16th floor prison here in the Heights. I implore you, free me from my tears have become the storm outside. Hear me wail, your other half, we are one, you know us well. Watch me flail, I can't find a rail to hold on to. I don't want to fall, but it's slippery out here. Give me your hand to hold across the space. My fingers' ice froze near the window where I continue to be absorbed in my hype about reality. Nice stories neatly told and packaged for your delight. Pass to and fro, I cast my spell. Create my own heaven and hell, my well of desire bursting forth. My family gave me up for Lent. Is that the answer or the end? Am I worth now or more or less? Where to explore next? I remain sure in my search. I'm seeking answers with leaps of faith. I promise I am. In my solitude, you haunt me with memories of days gone by. 4 days in a row, I refuse to leave my abode. I can't go. I should go to the gym. I won't. I refuse to go. I'm depressed too, not just double X. I don't give in to my own reality, the fatality. Too old for me. With circumspect, dark moods, my youthful vision revives and gives him sight again. All trite and true, not right, not poetry, I swear. Reality, I swear. I sit in my chair and filled with despair. There's no one could be so sad. With gloom everywhere, I sit and I stare. I know that I'll soon go mad. I implore you, stay here. Finally, a golden glimmer of God shines through my frozen world of youthful delight. I see the sun, the truth you hold forth for me to see. The sky parts open, exposes a bright silver streak of light. The wind so strong it sounds like thunder in my lungs. I want to explore you and forget reality. Let's talk poetry instead. The galaxy of my heart swoons for paradise and lost expressions, protestations of love. My blue teardrops tenderly drip down your face. Your face shadows mine. I bend to kiss your lips like blackberry wine. The kiss drips from my lips. None of this is metaphor. The wind screams in my face. This is reality. My life left undone. Get a new life tomorrow. The wind accompanies my heart, returns to the blues in lieu of deed. I sigh with relief through the frustrated wind blows relentlessly without thoughts of feeling about how I feel. I wish she'd stop. In her own good time, they say okay, I say okay. A how-to manual tattooed on my heart makes me easy to read. Patience, a dash of virtue goes a long way. Make peace, not war, I implore. What the fuck about virtues instead? Peace, unending, everlasting, enchanting chore this side of shore. This side of paradise, hear my crying, my flow of golden words. They sing my open heart song for you alone. Misty blue, hear my wail of thunder and despair. I don't want to care. I do.